Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. Today, Nicholas, Angie, and Andy, are going to introduce these interesting things which is commonly called simple motor. As mentioned, this is widely known as simple motor, but the actual name is called homopolar motor. The homopolar motor was the first electrical motor to be built. Its operation was demonstrated by Michael Faraday in 1821 at the Royal Institution in London. Then we are going to talk about the steps, how to make it, and reason behind, and also the history about it.
Thank you, Andy, for the introduction. Now I am going to talk about the materials required for making a simple motor. First of all, it is required to have copper wire, a battery, and a magnet. Moreover, you can add iron wires for decoration. Now I will let Nicholas to show us of how to make one simple motor.
Thank you for their introduction. Now I'm gonna talk about how to make one simple motor. First of all, you take some copper wires and reshape it. For time measurement, we already have one right here. And now we're gonna put it aside first and save for later. And we're gonna take out a magnet and just put a battery on top of it. And just put the prepared wire, reshaped one, copper wire, and just put it like this, and it just starts spinning, I hope. Yeah, it will spin like this. And for our group design, it would be working as well. And there's a 4-leaf clover shape. The reason behind why we made it is because we just want to say good luck for the final exam, and hope you guys have a successful exam.
Michael Faraday was a British scientist who contributed significantly to the fields of electromagnetism and electron chemistry. His experiments and discoveries form the foundation of modern electromagnetism, and the units of capacitance, the Farad and Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction are named after him. And this picture shows about Faraday's experiments and discoveries.
Sir John Ambrose Fleming was an English electrical engineer who invented the vacuum tube, designed the radio transmitter with which the first transatlantic radio transmission was made, and also established the left-hand rule used in physics.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the mechanism behind the simple motor. First of all, we have a magnet. For time measurement, I already marked the positive pole and negative pole. And how it works is that there's going to be an invisible magnetic field that is going from positive pole in an oval shape to the negative pole. And now with the battery it has a positive pole and negative pole as well. Now I have to connect the negative pole to the positive pole like this, and negative, positive. And then I'm just gonna connect the copper wire here. And whenever I connect the copper wire, electricity is gonna flow from positive pole to the negative pole here. And how it works is that there's gonna be a force of motion here, and it's gonna push it clockwise. Should be spinning, yeah, clockwise. And why is this happening is that the electricity flowing from the positive pole to negative pole is going to generate a force because of magnetic field, and the magnetic field is just going to push it clockwise.